Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase your Mac's disk using Disk Utility. First, always back up any important files to an external drive before starting this process. Erasing your Mac permanently deletes all data, so a backup is crucial. Next, you'll need to restart your Mac into macOS Recovery to access Disk Utility. This ensures you can safely manage your startup disk. To begin, shut down your Mac completely. Then, press the power button and immediately hold down the Command and R keys. Keep holding them until you see the Apple logo or a spinning globe, which indicates you're entering Mac OS Recovery. Once the Utilities window appears, select Disk Utility and click Continue. In Disk Utility, choose Show All Devices from the View menu to see all available drives. Now, in the Disk Utility sidebar, select your main internal drive, typically named Macintosh HD. If you see a volume group, select that instead. Click the Erase button in the toolbar. You'll be prompted to enter a name for the erase drive, such as Macintosh HD, and choose a format. Apps is recommended for Mac OS X, 13, or later. Confirm your choices and click Erase to start the process. Once the erase process is complete, click Done and then quit Disk Utility to return to the Utilities window. From there, select Reinstall Mac OS and click Continue. Follow the on-screen prompts to install a fresh copy of Mac OS onto your newly erased drive. Make sure your Mac is connected to a stable internet connection, as the installer will download the necessary files. This will give you a clean, fresh operating system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.